Students, now we discuss different terms mentioned here are the first one is vibration. Vibration is one complete round trip of vibrating body about its mean position is called one vibration. One complete round trip, that is one vibration. To understand it better, let's take an example of a pendulum. When we displace it from the mean position to extreme position to the position A or either side of the mean position, then I release it from the A position. It goes toward the mean position, okay, that is O, and then goes to the next extreme position. Then it comes back toward the mean position and then cross this mean position and goes to the initial position or extreme position. It's one complete round trip or one vibration. That's we calling a one vibration a one complete round trip. The next one is time period. The time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is called time period. So the body has completed this one complete round trip or one vibration in either 5 seconds or 2 seconds or 1 seconds. We call it a time period. But if a body next one is frequency. Frequency is the number of vibrations or cycle of a vibrating body in 1 second is called its frequency. Okay, in 1 second, if a body complete one vibration, two vibration or 5 vibrations, we call it a frequency. Number of vibration in 1 second. In 1 second, body will either complete 2 vibrations, 5 vibrations, depending on a body or a system. The next one is, or the other thing is that the frequency is reciprocal of time period. Now the next one is amplitude. Amplitude is the maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side from its mean position is called its amplitude. What is that? Amplitude is the displacement or a distance, okay, displacement of vibrating body from a mean position. ये भी आपके पास displacement है. When you see on the left hand side of the mean position, this is also a displacement from point O to a point A, and also a displacement here from a point O to a point B. So if a body cover a maximum displacement, we call it its amplitude. This is a amplitude from point O to a point B or a point O to a point A. So this is our lecture. Hope you understand. If you have any query, you can ask in a comment section. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Stay safe.